Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep up with emails when you are out of office? Or perhaps you're worried you will leave someone hanging just because you are offline for a few days. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can be able to set up a simple out of office autoresponder that will keep things running smoothly and keep you out of stress. Hello everyone, my name is Prudence from The Manager, and in few seconds I'll be showing you how to set up a simple autoresponder or auto reply for your Gmail account and also your Webmail. That's if you have one. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to do this for your Gmail. Now, Google has not really made it easy for people to be able to set up, the out of office reply, or what most persons call vacation responder. But I'll be happy to show you how you can do this right away. Now, let's dive in. First, you log into your Gmail account. As you can see, I'm logged in already. So next, I'll go to this J icon here. This on my top right corner, this settings icon. I'll click on it. Under your quick settings here, you can set up the design, the look and feel of your email account, but we're not there for that. So I'm just gonna click on this see all settings button here. Then I will navigate down to where we have the vacation responder. As you can see, it's turned off. So I'll just turn this on. Yeah. So your first day, where you want this to be effective, like when. So the first day you are going on holiday, or you're just gonna set this here, select your date. So I'll just choose 1st November. I want it to be effective starting from today, 1st November. Then you say 21st of November. From 1st November, the last day is 21st of November. But if you want this indefinitely, like you want it till infinity, you can just uncheck this. But I want a specific end date, so I'll just select 22nd of November. Now, your message, the subject of your out of office message, you put it here. Then here you put your message body. So I'm just gonna put the subject of my message here, office closed for holiday. Okay. Then here the content of my message, so you can just put it here. Then you can decide to use the rich formatting, yeah, but I'll just do with the plain text. Then underneath you will see a bold text, only send a response to people in my contact. No, I want this mail to be sent to everyone, including those not on my contact. Then I will click on save changes. So this is saved. This is how you set up an autoresponder for your Gmail. So when someone writes you and you're not online, they will automatically get this response that, oh, you are not online. This either you're out for vacation or you're this, but they will get this auto response message. Now, how do you set this up for your webmail? So to do that, you're going to log into your webmail. So this is my webmail, yeah, for my business email. So then you come to your settings. Then you come to filter, click on filter. Then you click on this action icon here. Then you're going to click on enable and disable filter. So I'll just click on it to enable it. So it has been activated successfully. So I'll click on create. Yeah, I'll click on this create here. Then here I'll enter my filter's name. Since it's a business account, right? I want to use my business name. So that will be my filter name, which is this is it, financedevelopment.com. Then scope. Yeah, if you want it matching all the following rules, like you want to use rules and all that, but me, I want it sent to all messages that will be coming in. So I'll select these all messages. I'll click here. Then your action. So there are different options here. Move message to no. I just want this out of office responder. So I'll select this reply with message. I'll select this option here. So here I'll put my message body, the message I want them to get when I'm offline. So I'll just paste it here. Then the subject, yeah, office closed for holiday, or you can choose vacation, whatever you wish. Then my email address, this, also this. Then unlike the Gmail where you can select your first date and the last date, here you just have the options to enter the number of days you'll be going offline. It could be 30, it could be 20. So I'll just use 30. Yeah. Then I'll click on save changes. So we can choose to test this now. Yeah. So I'll just go to my email. This is my email. Then I'll compose a message and send to info@finance development. Then message body, construction. Then just write some, could be anything. Yeah, this is just for testing. So I'm sending this message to info@finance development, right? Since we've already set an autoresponder for it. So then I'll click on send. Now my message has been sent successfully. So I will assume I'm not online, right? So I'm just going to come back and refresh. Okay, now that we've set up our autoresponder, I'm just going to go to my email here and write a mail. So just put to info@finance-development.com. Okay, so subject. So I'll just send this info@finance-development.com. So I'll just send this. So my message has been sent. Now, as soon as I send this message, you can see I got an immediate response from info@finance-development that, oh, our office is closed for holiday. Thank you for your message, etc. So guys, this is how you set up an autoresponder for your Gmail and your Webmail. I hope this video set you up for success, and now you won't have to worry about missing emails when you travel. Please, if you like this video, kindly hit the like and the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.